SKIL 5080 to 113 amp 7-14 circular saw, budget-friendly and surprisingly serviceable for DIYers. The SKIL 5080-1 sits in the value corner of the circular saw world. 7-14 blade capacity, a 13 amp motor, and a no-nonsense feature set that covers bevel capability and depth adjustments. The Amazon listing contains lots of buyer photos and recent reviewers who highlight the saw's performance versus its price. People frequently call it a great value for light to medium projects. If you want a cheap saw that still gets the job done without bleeding your wallet, this is the one a lot of homeowners reach for. Check the Amazon page to see current price and to read the many 4 to 5-star user stories. In real use, customers report that the SKIL 5080 delivers decent power for decks, simple framing, and cutting plywood. The stock blade tends to be serviceable for rough work, but if you care about finish quality, you'll want to invest in a finer tooth blade. The pros are obvious: low cost, adequate power for non-industrial use, and many positive recent reviews praising its value. The cons are also obvious: not as durable or feature-rich as premium models, example, lighter aluminum finishes, fewer premium touches, and it's not the saw for a full-time pro who's burning through thousands of cuts. For exact pricing, check the buy link in the description box. SKIL is often a super cheap pick, but prices move with promotions. We share buy links in description box. If you are on a tight budget and need a reliable occasional use saw, the SKIL 5080-1 punches way above its weight for the price. Pros: excellent value, reasonable power for DIY jobs, positive user feedback. Cons: not as refined or durable as Pro Tools. Stock blade limits finish quality. Click the Amazon link in the description to see the latest price and read verified customer reviews.